Join me as I take on the challenge of restoring a classic Mercedes-Benz 300SL and bringing this piece of automotive history back to life. Did you know that the Mercedes-Benz 300SL was the world's first production car to feature fuel injection, launching in 1952? Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of restoring the iconic Mercedes-Benz 300SL, a true piece of automotive history. Restoring a classic car like the 300SL comes with its own set of challenges, from sourcing rare parts to ensuring authenticity. Let's explore the restoration process, highlighting key steps such as bodywork, engine rebuilding, and interior refurbishment. While emphasizing the craftsmanship involved, the climax of our journey comes when we unveil the fully restored 300SL, showcasing its stunning design and engineering prowess. In summary, restoring a Mercedes-Benz 300SL is not just about the car. It's about preserving a legacy and celebrating automotive innovation. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to check out our other restoration videos and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. From dust to glory, this masterpiece has been reborn. The Mercedes-Benz 300SL isn't just a car, it's a legacy, a testament to timeless craftsmanship and the power of restoration. Where others saw ruin, we saw potential, and now it's ready to write the next chapter of its story.